Try into the future with the Lexus NX300 model 2015.
SUV Premier S Sport design. So let's start the front design. Headlights making 3-eye LED with daytime running light. Have a fog light. Green making chromium with 3D design with a Lexus logo. It's really leisurely. Since I have a whole sensor for safety. Yeah.
Size 18 and the mirror light left and right is automatic and here as for logo and this guy is high vis and the body style is SUV style come with gray color and have moonroof. This guy is keyless entry. If you want to lock and unlock you can touch here. Lock and unlock. And the rear rear have spoiler and the tail lights LED and have parking sensor and here have parking camera. And if you want to open the trunk, you can touch here or you can control by remote. So let's start it. Wow. You see, the trunk have big space, and if you want more space, you can push down the rear seats. So let's go to see the interior. You will be inspired by a feature luxury interior with high technology material. Have a advanced technology. See design making two-tone color, red and black, and just electric. The seat offering comfortable is making long journey. Front console design making black color with soft texture and have a carbon fiber design. Mid console have a monitor can touch screen and can control in here menu. Navigator, place music and multimedia control. Air conditioner have a left and right. Gear is CVT automatic transition. Handle lever shutter making with chromium is a really leisurely. Steering wheel is a modified steering wheel with making F Sport design. Have a cruise control with pattern sheet. Can control volume up and down. Have a speaker command. Cut and bitter, and here can put two cat, and then here or you can contact one USB and have a put something. And then here, wow, this dashboard is a really design, can put many set document in here. NX300h signature is a driving mode, have a eco mode, normal mode, sport mode, sport plus mode, EV mode, have a parking electric. Yeah.
The rear wheel very have wide space, and the seat come with red color and can sit 3%. And here can push down and push to gap here or rest your under here. And here have the rear air conditioner, and especially this car have big moonroof. When you're traveling at night, you can gas the night fuel. And the price very cost only 1.19 million baht. So if you like, you can come to Open Road, you can come to test drive. So now, bye bye.